everyone, it's Lizzie from Lizzie's World of Gems. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a post review on this painting I bought from Dreamers Designs. It is a 40 by 60 centimeter. It is one of their overseas collection. And I think it turned out really nice, other than my hair's all over it. Why is my hair sticking to it so bad? So there's a few things I did change on this. It came with ABs. It came with 5 ABs and 1 fairy dust. So you see a lot of the ABs are up here, some in her hair. Now, the fairy dust was just these places right here that I have highlighted with ABs. That was it. That's all that came with the kit. Now, a lot of this dust drills that I have scattered throughout here was like a light greenish yellow, and it would have made the dog look green. I had a subscriber said I really was upset with this kit because when I finished the dog turned green. And like when she said that to me, I'm thinking, well, I'm just gonna switch it up. So everywhere it was supposed to be that green, I put fairy dust. So I had to obviously get more fairy dust because all they had was this little amount right here on his face. And then some of this is just pure white that they had. But as you can see, me using the shimmery dust drill covered a lot of what would have been like the yellowish green. So I think I did a really good job. I think it turned out really nice, and I'm happy with that. And then I did add some dust drills in her shirt. So that was another thing that I did differently. I did put it some places throughout here, but then I was scared I was going to run out. So I stopped and just used the regular color. Here was supposed to be dust drills, but I used ABs instead. There's a few things I changed out, but other than that, it turned out really amazing. Such bright, beautiful, vibrant colors. I really liked it. It was a fun little piece to work on in the month of March. I finished it right on April 1st. I would have had it done sooner if I hadn't gotten sick. But if you are a long-time subscriber to me, you know that I was not feeling well. One thing I should suggest to Dreamers Designs if they ever watch any of my post reviews is you need to up your game with dust drills. Dust drills seems to be where it's at, and you can give me all the ABs in the world, and of course, as you can see, it does look pretty with the ABs, but I sooner rather have it been dust drills instead. I don't know. There's just something about dust drills that I like so much, and I really love dust drills. I have found that a lot of the new Dreamers Designs, their drill field is kind of tight in some spots, but some spots I feel like I wasn't being, usually I'm like really careful on the face and not to do too much color blocking, but I did not really care so much on this one. I don't know why. I don't think it looks too bad, but yeah, I think it turned out really good. I really love her hair. I love the colors of her hair, and I really like how they have this here and has the ABs. It really did bring out her hair. I really like that part, and I think the way I did the dog would have been better than what they had suggested. So let me know, have you finished this painting? Did you do the dog as charted? Does my dog look better? Or does your dog look better? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I had a lot of fun with this one. Even though I was sick for the month, I did have a lot. And I did it really weird. I did up to here, and then I was waiting for some more dust drills. So then I flipped it around, and then I started working this way, and I kind of met in the middle, which I've never done before, and I kind of liked that. It was kind of fun that way. So yeah, I think I finished off. Was it right here? No, it was right up here. That was my last square. So yeah, it turned out really, really nice. I'm super, super happy with it. I really, really enjoyed this one. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I did a good job? I think I did a good job. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this women chat. There was 60 colors in this baby. It is a 40 by 60. Should have took me less time than it did, but because I was sick, it didn't. And it's called Flora in the Fable. And it is it Carla Joe is the artist? Maybe I butchered that. Carla Joe. But yeah, I really, really liked it. I have another Dreamers Designs this small, like one of the smaller ones, that I have to complete sometime this year. And it's another colorful one, not from the same artist, but a different artist. And I can't wait to start that one as well. But I don't know when that one's going to come in the queue. But for now, I did enjoy this one. And it was fun working on it. Till next time, guys. Take care and hope to see you on my next journey. Till next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video and hit that notification bell, and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time, guys. Take care. Bye.